Hi everyone, my name is Ray Liang, NGID YUANQIL. And today I'm going to share my term project, which is a replica of the classic shooting practice game called Aim Lab. And my term project is basically a replica of the most classic shooting level of the game called Grid Shot Ultimate. So I'll just run it here. Okay, we can see that I have like a replica of the game, how it looks like. It kind of like a 3D background and three targets to shoot. And when you shoot one, it will reappear. And then if you miss, you'll deduct your points. And on here we see like a timer. It is set to 10 seconds for the sake of demoing my project. It should be 60 seconds after this. I'll just adjust it later. And here we have like points where you score at this round and the accuracy here. And except for the basic game features, here we can see after that I'll demo. We have a game setting page, a complete game setting page where we can, for example, adjust our sensitivity to 0.1, and we go back and see our sensitivity has changed. And I'll make it back to 1.5, which is the one I'm used to. And then you can also adjust the crosshair radius. You can make it like super big if you want. It's gonna be like bigger, but like usually it's not that big. And you can also like if you don't like black color, you can also change it to red, right? Always work. And if you put like a random letter, it doesn't work. It says invalid. And opacity, I don't want to change it right now. You can also like change the target radius, target color, and target opacity, which follows the same logic. But here, the thing is like because larger target is gonna make shooting easier. So if you have like a very large target radius, if you put like 60 70 something, it will show invalid because like what you put is too much, too big for our shooting to make it. The maximum is like 50, right? And that's it. If you have like 50, it'll your scoring will be like very very low compared to if you have like 10 or like 25, right? This is it. And also you have like reset all, which makes all your settings back to like the default ones. And I'll just demo my game features right now to like show how the game actually works. For example, you can like shoot at these targets, and then you see the score will go up, and if you miss, the score will go down. Right. And also here at the final page, you'll have like a personal bests and your score this time and your accuracy next time. For example, if I press R to restart, right? And like if I don't do anything, I'll just hang here and my point's gonna be 0, and you'll see the personal best is not changed. Yeah, here. So like the personal best is the last time, which is like 5,000. And in the meantime, I also have like an Eastern egg kind of like feature, which if you're too tired of this like hardcore shooting practice, you can press F and the game will change to fanatic mode, which the fanatic part is kind of like visual. If you shoot something, it will have like a laser beam appearing from your hand, and also like the left and the right will change accordingly at the same time. This doesn't like change anything of your score. It's just like a visual feature I add to my game in case you think it's too boring. And so like this is my project looking, and thank you everyone.